and gentlemen, over the last week, an absolutely shameful and despicable video of Bihar Chief Minister has been generating nationwide outrage. India watched in horror and worry as Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar pulled down the niqab, the hijab, the face veil of a young Muslim doctor in full public glare at a government function. He crossed every line of dignity, consent and constitutional conduct. What followed was political wrong. UP Minister Sanjay Nishad rushed to trivialize the abominable act in the most crass manner. He said, and I quote, "What would have happened if Nitish Kumar had touched the woman somewhere else?" Abominable and absolutely grotesque statement coming. Union Minister Giriraj Singh sneered at the outrage and told the Ayush doctor in question, Nusrat Parveen, to go to hell. The backlash justifiably was loud and fierce. Multiple police complaints have now been filed against Nitish Kumar. The latest one from PDP leader Iltija Mufti, who calls it criminal abuse of power that emboldens attacks on women. Sanjay Nishad, who has now apologized, faces a scathing warning from AIMIM MP Imtiaz Jalil that had the UP minister been in Maharashtra, his hands would have been chopped off.
नीतीश कुमार ने सही किया।
लड़की कह रही है कि नौकरी रिफ्यूज कर दी उसने।
वो रिफ्यूज करे या जहन्नुम में जाए।
माफी मांगने के बजाय जो बीजेपी के मिनिस्टर्स हैं वो कितने वल्गर स्टेटमेंट दे रहे हैं। अगर आप हमारी औरतों का नकाब और हिजाब अगर आप यू प्लीज बी रेडी फॉर द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज।
तू ये समझ रहा है कि तू मेरी बच्ची को कहीं हाथ लगा देगा और हम खामोश बैठेंगे? अगर तू हमारे सामने होता तो तेरा हाथ तोड़कर दूसरे हाथ में दे डालते हम।
Imtiaz Jalil's call for violence here is indefensible. No civilized society can condone incitement, especially when India has already paid a heavy price for such rhetoric. But equally, there is no defense, none whatsoever, for a chief minister violating a woman's right to privacy and dignity. Nitish Kumar's conduct was offensive, intrusive and inexcusable, and condemnation must be unequivocal. But now, look at the rampant double standards. First up is Trinamool Congress MLA Madan Mitra, a close aide of Mamta Banerjee. In a video that he posted on Facebook, he claimed Lord Ram was a Muslim, mocking a deity revered by millions of Hindus. Where are the police complaints now, ladies and gentlemen? Where are the FIRs? Where is the outrage? Why does no one find this comment blasphemous?
আচ্ছা বলুন তো, আমি একবার ওদের সবথেকে বড় নেতাকে সুযোগ করে দিল্লিতে জিজ্ঞেস করেছিলাম, আমি বলছি রাম মুসলমান ছিলেন, আমি মদন মিত্র বলছি, কি করবেন? আপনি প্রমাণ করুন রাম হিন্দু ছিলেন, রামের টাইটেল কি ছিল?
Mamta Banerjee has now replaced Mahamati Manush with Muslim. She should tell us what action she will take on Madan Mitra.
See, BJP is losing Bengal. So they are bringing up issues which are not issues that impact the people, their employment, their welfare, their standard of living. BJP is a sinking boat in Bengal.
कि तृणमूल कांग्रेस एक हिंदू विरोधी पार्टी है जिसमें हर तृणमूल कांग्रेस का नेता हिंदुओं के खिलाफ बयान ममता बनर्जी के कहने पर कहता है। इससे ये भी स्पष्ट होता है कि प्रभु श्री राम के भव्य मंदिर बनने के बाद ममता बनर्जी और उनका तुष्टीकरण का गैंग इतना हताश और फ्रस्ट्रेट हो चुका है कि अब हमारे भगवान का भी अपमान कर रहा है।
With elections around the corner in Bengal, Trinamool Congress leaders' provocations couched as philosophical questions are clearly meant to appease. But what explains Samajwadi Party Member of Parliament R.K. Chaudhary's uncalled for attack on Hindu traditions? Asked about rising AQI levels, Chaudhary chose not science, data or policy, but Holika Dahan and cremations of Hindus as his targets. No word on vehicular emissions, factory smoke or stubble burning. Instead, a convenient pivot to vilifying Sanatan practices. Is anyone taking out a protest march over hurt Hindu sentiments?
कि पूरे देश में लाशें जलाई जाती हैं, और लाशें जलती हैं तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड निकलता है, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड निकलता है और कार्बन जलता है, नहीं ऑक्सीजन जलता है, खपत होती है। ये तो उल्टा हुआ। और हमारा एक त्योहार है होली दहन का। पूरे देश में कम से कम 5 करोड़ स्थानों पे एक साथ होली दहन होता है। उससे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड निकलता है, ऑक्सीजन निकलता है और नई ऑक्सीजन का खपत होती है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड निकलता है, उससे नुकसानदायक है। तो कहीं न कहीं हमारा जो देश है वो पर्यावरण पर बहुत गंभीर नहीं है।
Is he also prescribing, Mr. Chaudhary, that Mr. Akhilesh will not be burned because he's going to, add to the pollution? Stop attacking Hindu rituals.
And then comes the most chilling consequence of contempt for Sanatan, playing out in Tamil Nadu. This is a reality check for those who argue that hurting Astha can be brushed aside. In Madurai, a devotee is dead. 40-year-old Purna Chandran died by suicide, setting himself on fire in protest against the DMK government's refusal to light the holy lamp on the Deepathum, despite clear Madras High Court orders to the same effect. Preliminary investigations say Chandran left behind voice notes explaining his anguish. Audio clips shared by the BJP lay bare the pain of a believer who felt Hindus were being denied their right to practice their faith. And yet, there is no remorse. There is no response, no accountability from the government in Tamil Nadu. Not even a death has stirred those who were foaming with outrage over a naqab being touched in Bihar.
Purna Chandran, this person has lost his life, committed suicide. Why? It is because of the Dravida model DMK government. The Tirupparangundram Deepathum was not lit. He did not commit suicide. Now, the Chief Minister, Mr. M.K. Stalin, the Dravida model DMK government, their allies should take responsibility for this murder. I charge that this is not a suicide, this is a murder committed by this government.
I am a devout Hindu. In fact, my name is Karti, which is one of the names of Muruga, and I'm a believer in Muruga. I've been to all the main Muruga temples in Tamil Nadu. There is no prohibition for anybody of the Hindu faith to practice their faith in Tamil Nadu. I'm not too sure why this person unfortunately died. I mean, people unfortunately die for many reasons. I don't know what the reason is, but it can't be for this reason.
So viewers, one incident in Bihar sends political tremors from Jammu and Kashmir to Maharashtra. Statements, protest, FIRs, outrage. But another incident of a death in Tamil Nadu has been met with deafening silence. What's the difference? Is it that when outrage fits a narrative, the opposition erupts? When it doesn't, the outrage evaporates? And that, ladies and gentlemen, brings me to the Motorola legitimate question on the News Hour tonight. Is Sanatan Samman prohibited for so-called secular lobby? That's the question, and that's the debate coming up on the other side.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 1 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Joining the debate tonight, to my right, Siddharth Yadav, national spokesperson of the BJP, Anand Ranganathan, political commentator, scientist, author. To my left, Vivek Silas, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party, Ashwini Kumar Mishra, leader of the Congress Party, Anmol Panwar, national spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party. Also joining me this evening, Syed Asad Abbas, political analyst, joins me live from Bengaluru. But my first question to you, Ashwini Kumar Mishra. Why are there such difficult and different standards? What Nitish Kumar did, unacceptable, and I'm completely okay with the protests, the FIRs. But why is there deafening silence on the other side? Karti Chidambaram actually comes out and says, I don't know why this death were there. People die for different reasons. So definitely nothing to do with faith. He has come to the conclusion. How can he do that? BLO के डेथ में आप आवाज उठा सकते हैं, दीपम के डेथ में आपको आवाज उठाने में टेंशन है. क्यों भाई? नीतीश कुमार के खिलाफ आप बोल सकते हैं, बट मदन Mitra, who says Ram is Muslim, there is deafening silence. Why this difference? Only because Sanatan doesn't matter?
नाविका जी, गुड इवनिंग टू योर व्यूअर्स एंड फेलो पैनलिस्ट. जय श्री राम, भारत माता की जय, वंदे मातरम, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद. If something left, please tell me, so that whatever I say, you don't start categorizing me. Now, issue is very simple. Neither the Nitish Kumar issue is Hindu-Muslim, nor the Deepam issue is Hindu-Muslim. You are just giving it color so that it benefits the Bharatiya Janata Party, because their whole political agenda was around the communalization. Nitish Kumar insulted a woman. What if that woman was not Muslim? Do you think that there wouldn't be any issue in that case? It would have been. अगर वो महिला घूंघट पहने होती तो क्या नीतीश कुमार ऐसा करते तो क्या उसमें उसकी इंसल्ट नहीं होती है, हिंदुओं की इंसल्ट नहीं होती है, किसी महिला की इंसल्ट नहीं होती? So let's not categorize that to a Hindu-Muslim issue. Same is the case with Deepam. If you look at the Deepam issue, Anandji can correct me, I don't think any Muslim community has any issue with that lighting of the lamp. So it is not a Hindu-Muslim issue. It is not a Hindu-Muslim issue at all.
So much of a
it is not a Hindu-Muslim issue at all. The problem is there has been a tradition to light a lamp at a specific place. Now you want to change that place to another place. There might be Hindus itself who will have a problem to change my custom. Tomorrow if I go and claim that Banke Bihari Mandir में जो मूर्ति रखी हुई है,
there is a court ruling, and because you have a political problem with it, you have now moved the impeachment of the judge who gave that ruling. But Anand Ranganathan, अब उसमें problem ही नहीं है. The Deepam स्थान पे वो जो दीपाथॉन का पिलर है वो भी वक्फ का हो गया. But they are saying there is no Hindu-Muslim problem. How convenient.
गुड इवनिंग नाविका एंड गुड इवनिंग टू माय फेलो पैनलिस्ट. ये बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है कि जब 5-10 मिनट बाद मेरा नंबर आता है, एटलीस्ट 6-7 फेक न्यूज़, फेक नैरेटिव लाइज फैला जा चुकी होती हैं, और अश्विनी जी माय गुड फ्रेंड इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर एटलीस्ट हाफ ऑफ दोज. बहरहाल मैं शुरू करता हूं बिकॉज टाइम ऑब्वियसली कम है. नंबर 1, ये कहना कि मुस्लिम्स को कोई इशू नहीं है, एक हद तक ठीक था, लेकिन उसके बाद जानबूझ के व्हेन वक्फ वाज कॉल्ड इन, वक्फ हैज क्लेम्ड अ पार्ट ऑफ अ लैंड दैट हैज बिलोंग्ड टू द हिंदूज even before Islam was discovered or birthed. How ironical, how I don't know, inexplicable is that? You are claiming something on Islamic land when Islam is only 1300 years old, and what rests on that land is at least 500-600 years before that. And still you have the temerity to say that religion should not come into it. Religion should not and must not come into it because it is a case of justice. And from 1921 onwards to 1931 Privy Council to 1996 judgment to 2017 judgment to the recent Swaminathan judgment to the High Court checking up on his judgment, everyone points to the fact that Hindus should be allowed to light that lamp. Incidentally, Karthik is completely wrong when he says the lamp has been lit. No, I am talking of Deepatun, which is more than 50 meters away from the Dargah. Dargah has given no objection certificate. Obviously, this has been made into an issue by the DMK. Berhal, I want to come to the other issue which we started. Navika, please give me half a minute. Of course, everyone must condemn Mr. Nitish Kumar, what he did. It is unacceptable. We still haven't heard his reasons, what they were. Whatever the reasons were, that he wanted to see the face or whatever it is, many people from his party are alleging. It is unacceptable. You cannot touch any person, leave alone, a woman who's a doctor.
My issue is that whatever anybody wants to believe, they should believe. But there is a court order in this case, not just by Justice Swaminathan. There is a division bench that has upheld it.
Twice.
But nobody will follow that. पर वो दिखता नहीं है. सनातन कैन बी अब्यूज्ड. राम को आप कुछ भी कह सकते हैं. आप हुमायूं कबीर जो है वो मस्जिद बना सकते हैं. राम को मुसलमान बुला सकते हैं, विवेक साइलेस जी. लेकिन आप हिंदू रिलीजन, समाजवादी पार्टी के मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट तो कह रहे हैं दाह संस्कार बंद कर दो. स्टॉप क्रीमेशंस बिकॉज इट इज क्रिएटिंग पोल्यूशन. I want to ask you, can you say this about other religions, or saying it about Hindus specifically makes you very secular?
No, I think what Mr. Chaudhary has said, the member of parliament from Samajwadi Party, is not relevant, The rituals that have been followed about Sanatan Dharma from ages, चाहे वो सतयुग रहा हो, त्रेता युग रहा हो, द्वापर युग रहा हो, या आज हम कलयुग में हैं, इन चारों युगों में यही फॉलो होता हुआ आया है, इसको हम बदल नहीं सकते। उन्होंने जो कहा ठीक है, उनका अपना वो होगा, लेकिन प्रभु राम को मुस्लिम बताना भी ठीक नहीं कहा। टीडीपी में हम उसकी भी टीएमसी ने, यस, ममता जी की पार्टी ने जो कहा है वो ठीक नहीं लगता है। लेकिन भारतीय जनता पार्टी को अगर देखिए नाविका जी, तो योगी आदित्यनाथ जी ने भी कहा था राजस्थान के चुनाव में, मैं पूछना चाहता हूं कि हनुमान जी जो थे वो दलित और आदिवासी थे। मोदी वॉज शोन लार्जर देन राम, लॉर्ड राम का उंगली दो ही लोगों ने पकड़ी है, एक महाराजा दशरथ ने पकड़ी होगी और एक मोदी जी ने पकड़ी है, जो हमने देखा।
मोदी जी बीन शोन,
अरे वो राम लल्ला को ले जा रहे हैं,
also been shown by posters made by the Congress party.
मोदी जी का
बताया गया है। The point is, R.K. Chaudhary says pollution problem is because there are cremations. I want you to tell me, is that a secular statement to make? Can this be said about any other religion?
नहीं, cremation could make, but that doesn't,
scientifically wrong है।
Scientifically, it might make pollution, but that doesn't mean कि such should be given.
Navika, please allow us scientists to
What action has the party taken on R.K. Chaudhary? He is a member of parliament, sir.
Yes.
नाविका जी,
What action has been taken? What action has been taken on Madan Mitra? What action has been taken on Humayun Kabir? Has been expelled or suspended from the party, but only when the foundation was kept.
Just 5 seconds, Navika. Siddharth, just 5 seconds. Carbon footprint of burial is more than the carbon footprint of cremation.
इतना साइंस आता होता
अब अभी आप सुन लीजिए। अब I have a very small submission to make, and that submission is that whosoever is saying this, be it R.K. Chaudhary from the Samajwadi Party or Madan Moitra from the TMC, they are not saying it for an academic debate.
Yeah.
Neither are they saying it because they are, Islamic scholars or they are environmentalists or they know something. They are saying all of this to pinch Sanatanis in this country.
Not at all.
They are saying all of this so that Hindus can be hurt. Let me tell you. Do you have
that?
Vivek ji, I was not saying when you were speaking. मैं नहीं बोल रहा था ना।
आप लोगों ने कहा था 2024 में
आप ऐसे
हम राम को लेकर आए।
आप ऐसे नहीं है। सुनिए।
Who are you to bring
This is
Ram?
not the way. This is not the way. अब आपको सुनना पड़ेगा।
और हम one at a time.
Can R.K. Chaudhary, does R.K. Chaudhary have the guts to say that if you bury someone, groundwater can be polluted? Have you ever said this statement? You would never say this. Is Madan Moitra saying this for the first time? No. In 2021, the same leader came out and said कि भगवान परशुराम तो बीफ के बिना खाना नहीं खाते थे, and सीता माता उस खाने को पकाती थी. What happened to him? Did TMC do anything? But he is always promoted because the politics, Vivek ji, the politics is that if you abuse Hindus, you will be promoted. That's the politics. The politics is आप हिंदुओं को गाली दो, आपको आगे बढ़ाया
सीता माता का अपमान नहीं था।
थोड़ी कि समाजवादी पार्टी TMC सब में लाइन लगी हुई है कि कौन हिंदुओं को गाली देगा।
सीता माता
अच्छा, आप लोग संविधान की बात करते हैं, ये क्या तरीका है विवेक जी?
सीएम ने कहा,
अरे विवेक जी क्या तरीका है? मैं
टेस्ट ट्यूब बेबी थी।
That is wrong. But saying cremation creates pollution. Are you trying to justify that? Are you trying to justify that? Allow him to speak. Explain that to Mr. Chaudhary.
The kind of hypocrisy that I am trying to expose, the same is with the Deepam. The people who speak about constitution, courts, judiciary and all of that, the courts are directing. The courts are directing. There's a precedent, there's a law, the court is saying, but just because the verdict of the court is in favor of the Hindus, you can't digest it. You would go to any extent and say, हम impeach कर देंगे इस जज को.
Have you seen any statement from the Samajwadi Party?
What precedent do you have?
Have you seen any statement from the Samajwadi Party?
1931 का.
You tell me one statement from the Samajwadi Party.
You don't
just
allow.
one statement.
The judge is saying
regarding the Deepam.
My only question is the parties. My only question is that when parties who wear this badge of honor saying secularism credentials are only represented by them, parties like the Samajwadi Party, the Congress Party, the Trinamool Congress, and called the BJP communal, just what are they doing? When R.K. Chaudhary makes a statement against cremations, when Madan Mitra says Ram is Muslim, and that is why I come back to my friend Anmol Pawar from the Aam Aadmi Party. अब संजय सिंह जी तो बहुत ही आगे निकल गए हैं. उनका कहना है कि I can't even repeat what he has said. Of course, he has alluded it that this is a statement of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. I have not found any video recording because there are parliamentary recordings of that time. I have not seen any video recording. Some news reports quote that, but there is no video recording. If the Aam Aadmi Party believes what is stated by Sanjay Singh, why don't you produce the video evidence that Atal Bihari Vajpayee said this? Or is this again just an attempt to show the BJP town, well, Ram is a football that you use?
What BJP is doing today is politics in the name of Ram. They are the ones who introduced this bill, Ji Ramji bill, and took livelihoods of millions of rural laborers. The way they did when they introduced 3 black farm laws, आज लोगों के पेट पे लात मार रहे हैं, उनकी आजीविका छीन रहे हैं. And what Sanjay Singh ji said was कि राम हमारे देवतुल्य हैं, हमारे आराध्य हैं, राम चरित्र हैं, राम मर्यादा है और राम आदर्श का नाम है.
तो हराम कैसे कह रहे हैं?
Just a minute. And
संसद में खड़े होकर के हराम राम है कह रहे हैं.
And this state, I didn't interrupt. This statement which is made by Sanjay Singh ji, ये अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी ने कहा था.
प्रूफ दीजिए.
और देख सकें,
प्रूफ लाइए.
मैं
आप हमेशा
प्रूफ दे रहा हूं. बिल्कुल मैं, अरे आप इतने सभ्य तरीके से पूछेंगे, प्रूफ देंगे, 4 और देंगे, अभी देते हैं. पहला प्रूफ नरेश अग्रवाल भारतीय जनता पार्टी के सांसद जिन्होंने कहा था, जिन्होंने संसद में कहा था विस्की में विष्णु बसे, रम में श्री राम, जिनमें माता जानकी, ठर्रे में हनुमान, उन्हें बाहर निकाला. बता रहा हूं संजय सिंह जी ने कहा, बता रहा हूं, रुकिए योगी जी ने कहा, योगी जी ने कहा कि हनुमान was Dalit. योगी जी said
प्राइम मिनिस्टर
just a minute.
You are the former prime minister.
Let you speak then.
नहीं,
Dinesh Sharma said, the deputy CM of Uttar Pradesh, Dinesh Sharma said कि सीता माता टेस्ट ट्यूब बेबी है. बुक्कल नवाब MLC और भारतीय जनता पार्टी साइड हनुमान जी वाज मुस्लिम. चारों को पार्टी से बाहर निकाला या नहीं बताओ? कोई बात नहीं. बाहर निकाला उन्हें या नहीं? हिंदू बनते हो, सनातनी, चंदा चोरी करते हो, राम मंदिर का चंदा चोरी करते हो, चंदे की दलाली करते हो, पैसा खाते हो, और उसके बाद सनातनी बनकर दिखाते हो. Did you take action against
all your other arguments?
Documents.
All your other arguments accepted. Please show me Vajpayee ji's video recording from the parliamentary proceedings. Please show me.
Let me read.
No, not reading. Show me the video. Show me the video.
I will read that.
Video, parliament video.
I will read that. ये किस्सा लिया है हमने उल्लेख NP की किताब वाजपेयी, द अनटोल्ड वाजपेयी, जाके पढ़ लीजिए. उनके ऊपर कार्रवाई की कोई कार्रवाई की आज तक उनके ऊपर?
किसी ने कुछ आपने मान लिया?
कौन सी
फ्लोर ऑफ द हाउस पे खड़े होकर सांसद कुछ बचे नहीं देश में, जो सांसद बचे भारत रत्न गाली देंगे.
कार्रवाई की.
I know you can quote any number of
चोरी करते हो,
you can quote any number of news reports. Parliament archives from 90s onwards exist. We have, from our research department, tried to search. We have not found a video existing of this statement attributed to former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee.
अयोध्या में इसीलिए हराया जनता ने, राम के नाम पे चंदा चोरी कर रहा है.
आपकी हर बात तैयार हूं, लेकिन वाजपेयी
पूरे देश में
यू आर जस्टिफाइंग राम एंड.
एक बात पूछ लो,
ये हार और जीत की ज्यादा मत सुनाइए. नोटा से भी छोटा है, आधे से ज्यादा स्टेट में.
दिनेश शर्मा, योगी आदित्यनाथ, नरेश अग्रवाल, बुक्कल नवाब पार्टी से बाहर निकाले या नहीं निकाले? जवाब ले लो इनसे.
So you are saying
ये पक्के सनातनी बनते हैं, ये राम भक्त बनते हैं. पूछो इनसे. राम के नाम पे देश लूट रहे हैं. राम नाम बदल के महात्मा गांधी रूरल लेबरर के.
I can shout louder than you. You know, so let's not get there. Politicians are not the only people who can shout. But I bring it back to the question. Is secularism defined only when you can abuse one faith One faith will be abused and others will be treated with kid gloves. My question is the inequality. And Siddharth Yadav, first you, Anand Kamble.
Thank you. Navika, what has to be understood is, if I am today, with all my passion, saying कि सनातन को गाली नहीं दी जा सकती, I don't expect water boundary. Do you have the same courage? अभी आपने तीनों ने बोला, has anybody said anything against TMC MP? आप बोल सकते हैं, आपके सांसद खुद खड़े होंगे, मैंने TMC के सांसद को बोला, गलत बोला, TMC मदन मोहत्रा गलत बोला, आपके सांसद ने गलत बोला, you can't even
आप भी बोलो इन्होंने गलत बोला, आप बोलो इन्होंने गलत बोला,
point number 2,
आप बोलो इन्होंने गलत बोला,
on the floor of the house,
आप
and I
बोलो
want to
इन्होंने गलत बोला,
this is not how we debate. अभी अनमोल जी, आप also a profession, by profession,
you talk about
ये तरीका नहीं है डिबेट का, ये तरीका नहीं है, ये तरीका नहीं है डिबेट का. आप लोग जो आपकी पार्टियां सड़क पे करती हैं वो यहां मत करिए, मैं रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूं. माय ओनली हम्बल सबमिशन इज, और अनमोल जी यू आर लॉयर योरसेल्फ, अगर देश के अंदर फ्लोर ऑफ द हाउस पे खड़े होकर के योर एमपी इतने गिने चुने तो बचे हैं, अभी जीत और हार की बात करते हैं, नोटा से भी छोटा है, इतने सारे स्टेट्स में नोटा से भी छोटा है,
एक ने
वो कह रहे हैं
हमारे
खराब में भी ना राम है, एंड यू हैव द ऑडेसिटी टू जस्टिफाई इट, यू हैव द ऑडेसिटी टू सिट हियर एंड जस्टिफाई इट. आई एम वेरी सॉरी, दिस इज
running away from discussion.
My issue, Syed Asad Abbas, is everybody should respect every faith, and I come from that position. You may follow the Islam Dharam, he may follow Christianity, he may be a Hindu, somebody can be a Sikh. They should follow their faith, and there has to be respect for everybody's faith. Secularism does not mean that one faith will be derided and others, will be protected. That is not secularism, that is not equality, that is not what the Constitution says. I want to ask you, Madan Mitra, when he says Ram Musalman the, nahi to Ram Jethmalani the, what kind of a reference is this? Number one. Number two, the DMK has said what it has said about Sanatan. Number three, in Madurai, there is this entire Deepam controversy going. Now one life is lost over there. The DMK government refuses to budge, does not even implement the court orders, instead moves impeachment against the judge who gives orders, and those orders have been upheld by the division bench. I'm asking you, where is your outrage? Why can't you actually question the way the Trinamool Congress leader and the DMK is behaving?
Do you even consider it wrong? First answer that.
Firstly, Navika ji, I'd say that is, now hear me out. My dear friends, hear me out. You're not the anchor. Calm down.
We are calm only. Please answer.
Firstly, Navika ji, I really liked what you said about respecting every religion. I am, my friend. Calm down. Allow me to articulate. I heard you shouting. Please, I'm not on location. I'm in Bangalore. Allow me a minute's time.
Go ahead.
Navika ji, I really appreciate the point that you articulated in your statement, that with respect to respecting every religion, be it Hinduism, be it Islam, be it Sikhism, Buddhism, any of it. I've always believed, Navika ji, and there was a time when I stated on your show, okay, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, समझो अपनी शान को.
बोलने से नहीं होता है सर, बोलने से नहीं होता है. Where is your outrage against DMK? Where is your outrage against the Trinamool Congress?
सुनिए, मेरा आउटरीच सुनिए, अभी मेरा आउटरीच सुनिए. द फैक्ट ऑफ द मैटर इज, नाविका जी, मैं समझता हूं मेरे सबसे अच्छे भाई, मेरे दोस्त हिंदू भाई हैं, और मैं समझता हूं कि सनातन धर्म.
भैया ज्ञान नहीं चाहिए. प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड ऑन DMK एंड तृणमूल कांग्रेस.
सोचने लगे.
नाविका जी, आप थोड़ा मुझे लिख के दे दीजिए. आप जो मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ आप बोल दूंगा.
नहीं, मैं सवाल जो पूछ रही हूँ उस पर जवाब दीजिए. क्वेश्चन पेपर पर जवाब आना चाहिए, नॉट योर रैंडम थॉट्स.
30 सेकेंड तो दीजिए मोहतरमा, मैं जवाब दूंगा. देखिए, मैं समझता हूं कि सनातन धर्म ऐसा है, हम इंसान को छोड़ दीजिए, मजहब को छोड़ दीजिए, कोई भी विश्व की ताकत सनातन धर्म को नीचे
we don't need your gyan for that, but Anand Ranganathan, is there any argument that they can offer against the whataboutery, against their double standards, against their hypocrisy?
I want to say 2 or 3 things very quickly. Navika, it would be disrespecting your millions of viewers if I were to state or keep stating the obvious. I don't want to do that. I don't want to state the obvious that Congress, that Samajwadi Party, that DMK are anti-Hindu. I can give you, no, please.
How can you say that?
Navika, I can't go on.
Am I not Hindu?
This is absolutely absurd.
Who are you to give the certificate? Am I not Hindu?
Anand.
Oh, let him make.
He's calling me.
1 minute. I will give you time.
He's calling me non-Hindu.
I will give you time to counter. First, let him make a point. If he's factually incorrect, I will counter him.
If you enact, promulgate laws that discriminate against Hindus, if you bar Hindus, only Hindus from seeking justice, if you allow only Hindus and obligate upon only Hindu-run schools to give reservations, then yes, you are anti-Hindu. What more do you want? You are discriminating against Hindus and you are saying you are pro-Hindu. So please be quiet.
Now respond.
I haven't even finished, Navika.
Okay.
Thank you, please.
Anand,
Because I was coming to being critical of...
नहीं माना, reply तो करने दो.
देखिए जहाँ
आप कर लीजिएगा reply. स्टूडियो
On the first part, let us get the response.
देखिए जहाँ तक समाजवादी पार्टी, I just really condemn the statement given by my friend Anand Ranganathan ji that we are anti-Hindus. समाजवादी पार्टी के ऐसी पार्टी है जो कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी और आरएसएस की तरह 7 स्टार अपने ऑफिसेस नहीं बना रही पूरे देश में अरबों रुपए के हम मंदिर बना रहे हैं
What does that have to do with Mr. Chaudhary's statement? What does that have to do with Mr. Chaudhary?
सबसे ज्यादा मंदिर भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने तोड़े हैं.
व्यास परिवार को रोका किसने ज्ञान व्यापी में?
भारतीय जनता पार्टी की
ज्ञान व्यापी में
उसका उद्घाटन होने वाला है. समाजवादी पार्टी की देन है.
जब तक मदन मोहित्रा पर एक्शन नहीं होगा, आप टीएमसी के साथ नहीं जाएंगे ना?
नरेश अग्रवाल,
मदन मोहित्रा पर जब तक एक्शन नहीं होगा, आप टीएमसी के साथ नहीं होगा. मदन मोहित्रा
ये आरके चौधरी के साथ खड़े हैं, आप क्या टीएमसी की बात कर रहे हैं?
तो क्या नहीं पा रहे होंगे? दीजिए जाइए.
योगी आदित्यनाथ, दिनेश
हिंदू कोई नहीं.
मोदी कहते हैं हम राम से बड़े
की भी कोई लिमिट होगी.
आप आरके चौधरी पर एक्शन लेंगे ना, तब बात करिए. आनंद रंगनाथन फर्स्ट.
फिर से थोड़ा झूठ और बोलेंगे वो.
Ashwini, please, you are a friend. I don't even get 20 seconds.
You can be a friend because I am not Hindu anymore, and I don't think you like anyone else.
I didn't say you are not Hindu. I said you are anti-Hindu. There is a difference. A lot of Hindus in this country are anti-Hindu. Can I please continue?
Yes, please.
Yes.
What logic
so
is that?
as far as you might not understand this logic. That's another matter. वो schooling complete नहीं हुई है. As far as my good friend Vivek ji is concerned, जरा ये बता दीजिए कि ये कहते हैं कि प्लेसेस ऑफ वर्शिप एक्ट का उल्लंघन नहीं होना चाहिए. सबसे ज्यादा उल्लंघन इनकी सरकार करती है जब व्यास परिवार को वहां प्रे करने से रोका जाता है. दैट इज अ कंप्लीट उल्लंघन ऑफ द प्लेसेस ऑफ वर्शिप एक्ट. और आप कह रहे हैं आप एंटी हिंदू नहीं है. बहरहाल मैं कुछ और कह रहा था. मैं कह रहा था आपके व्यूअर्स नाविका ये जानते हैं कि ये लोग ऐसा है. अब डीएमके खुद कह रहा है भाई हम सनातन धर्म को इरेडिकेट करेंगे. मैं उनको एंटी हिंदू कहूंगा क्या? लोगों को पता है. मैं कहीं और कुछ पूछना चाहता हूं बिकॉज मेरी एक्सपेक्टेशन बीजेपी और सिद्धार्थ से है. मैं इनसे पूछना चाहता हूं अगर आपको हिंदूज की इतनी चिंता है तो पिछले 1.5 साल में जो बांग्लादेश पे जेनोसाइड चल रहा है हिंदूज के अगेंस्ट, मुझे नंबर दीजिए कितने हिंदूज लीगली बांग्लादेश से यहां पे लाए गए हैं. गिव मी अ नंबर. 1, 5, 10, 20, 100, 10,000.
हसीना को बिरयानी खिला रहे हैं.
विवेक जी प्लीज.
वहां हिंदुओं को काटा जा रहा है, मारा जा रहा है. और शेख हसीना को बिरयानी खिला रहे हैं.
गलत बात है. देखिए प्लीज.
क्यों रो रहे थे फिर?
शेख हसीना को बिरयानी कौन खिला रहा है? हम
विरोध कर रहे थे.
हम खिला रहे हैं.
उतर करके
शेख हसीना को बिरयानी कौन खिला रहा है? भारतीय जनता पार्टी खिला रही है.
इंश्योर करेंगे देश कमजोर हो जाए और फिर टीवी में बैठकर दूसरी बात करेंगे. नहीं चाहिए सर्टिफिकेट्स.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we did a survey. We asked opposition's contempt for Hindu gods and rituals. Is it deliberate? Yes, say 90% of the people. No, say 7%. Can't say 3%. 90% of the people believe that this is deliberate. Why? Well, we all know why. vote banks are important, and appeasement is the only name of the game. And which is why anybody can say anything to those who follow the Hindu faith. Any other faith? Well, the outrage is immense. If the Hindu faith is insulted, well, not a word, not a choo that takes place in the opposition ranks. Does this really mean that we stand up for secularism, or is it pseudo-secularism that is the only secularism that the opposition talks about? We leave it at that. Thank you very much to all my panelists for joining me on debate number 1.